Choosing the right contractor is difficult. But if you prepare the top 5 topics, I believe the experience will be much more rewarding when interviewing contractors. First, always check all their reviews. Make sure you pick at least 3 or 4 search engines before deciding whether the reviews are what you are looking for. Try Yelp, try Houzz, Google, Angie's List, stuff like that. Don't just try one search engine. Second, make sure you're going to meet the project manager that's going to be running your project. Is it the owner who may be too busy selling and running jobs and doing everything, or is it an independent person that just does project management? Number 3, do they have a staff of on-staff people? You don't want people that are all subcontractors because it's hard to control the schedule and the quality of the work that's being done. So make sure there is a blend of in-house staff and some subcontractors, like plumbers and electricians is normal to have as a subcontractor. Number 4, what is the warranty after the work is completed? Make sure it's at least 3 years because they need to stand behind the work that they just performed for you. And lastly, how do they handle change orders? If something comes up, how do they expect to be paid? This should all be upfront so there is no confusion and no miscommunication. Please consider us Ambassador Home Improvement, where quality is king. Thank you.